think tiles are just for function? Not in 2025. This year, imported tile designs are transforming floors and walls into stunning focal points. The 4x4 glossy green subway makes a bold statement in compact spaces. A classic 3x12 pink subway tile is sleek, minimal, and forever in style. Want luxury? White tile with gold accents adds instant glam. Elongated 2x25 green subways create eye-catching vertical designs. 8x8 Moroccan matte tiles? These tiles are designer's dream, perfect for balconies, bathroom walls, or stair risers. Explore all these imported styles only on My Tiles or visit our experience center. Let your walls do the talking.